what you create. Life is no longer written. It's something you can change. It is the law of attraction. Maybe you heard this if you have seen the secret film or read the book, you already know about this. What is this? Does it work? This is not a magic. This is not a mystical study. The law of attraction is a very simple thing. This is one of the 12 universal laws. That is, it exists in this world whether you accept it or not. Daniel Law, a successful Chinese-Canadian businessman, says that the law of attraction is like the law of gravity. We are attracted to the things we want to achieve in this life. You need to know this before you can understand the law of attraction. Everything that attracts you in your life depends on your thoughts, experiences, belief, and wisdom from you. The better your mind, the more beautiful your world becomes. The more you think positively, the better the world around you becomes. When you conquer your mind, your life simply conquers. If you have to be a best businessman, a good husband, a good wife, a good manager, whoever you are, you have to be a better person first. Then things around you will change for the better. So how do we use the law of attraction to get the life we want? How to attract what we think into life? Stay with us. If you are interested in our channel, please subscribe, like, and share.